Meet the powerhouse built for creators and professionals, the MPG Velox by MSI. I have provided the link to this product in the description below so that you can check the latest pricing details and offers if available. This desktop is designed to deliver top-tier performance across the board, from intensive 4K video editing and 3D rendering to managing complex workflows with ease. At its core is the Intel Core i9-14900KF processor with 24 cores and 32 threads, running up to an incredible 5.8 GHz max boost clock speed. This level of raw processing power ensures lightning-fast performance, making multitasking and running demanding applications absolutely seamless. Pair that with a massive 64 GB of DDR5 RAM clocked at 5600 MHz, and you're looking at a system that doesn't just keep up, it leads. Graphics are handled by the formidable NVD GeForce RTX 5080 with 16 GB of GDDR6X dedicated memory. Whether you're editing high-resolution video, working with complex 3D models, or streaming high-quality content, this GPU ensures everything runs smoothly, efficiently, and without compromise. It's the kind of graphical performance professionals dream of. Storage is another area where the MPG Velox shines, thanks to the ultra-fast 2TB PCIe Gen4 NVMe SSD. Boot times are virtually instant, applications load in a flash, and large files transfer with ease. It's up to 30 times faster than traditional hard drives, which makes a huge difference when you're managing large project files or working under tight deadlines. Cooling is handled by a custom RGB liquid cooling system and ARGB PWM fans that not only keep your system cool under pressure but do so quietly and with a touch of visual flair. Connectivity is broad with HDMI, DisplayPort, and a variety of I/O options to support multiple monitors and peripherals, making it an ideal command center for productivity and creative tasks. This system also comes with Windows 11 Pro pre-installed and is free from bloatware, offering a clean, professional workspace right out of the box. Assembled and stress-tested in the USA, the MPG Velox comes back with lifetime technical support and a 3-year limited hardware warranty. I have provided the link to this product in the description below so that you can check the latest pricing details and offers if available.